This is the iPhone 3GS, originally released in June of 2009. I'm going to see how this little thing holds up in 2020. Let's go. Does it look good? So a few years ago, I bought this iPhone 3GS, and it didn't come with a SIM card, so I couldn't really activate it. And then I was dumb, and recently I thought of the idea of asking Apple if they could find what carrier it is, and then it was, so I just wasted some years of my life that I could have been using this thing. So anyways, I bought a SIM card from AT&T, and I put it in this phone, and it worked. So I'm using this phone the present time, which is 2020. Okay, let's do this. Oh shoot. It's early. I'm gonna see how the camera works on this thing. Let's go. Oh, that was weird. I'm recording this part on the 3GS. There's no front-facing camera, so to do this, I'm just looking at the mirror in front of me. Yeah, that's the camera. Now I'm gonna test the quality of this thing when taking pictures. Let's go. So the camera actually isn't that bad, actually. And then today it was probably super good anyway, so. So I'm gonna check the audio on this thing and see how it does. So we're gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna look at one of my videos from my other channel and see how the audio is. Going to VidCon! I was planning on asking my parents. I don't know, it might have something stuck in it, but it was pretty good actually. The sounds in this phone are way better than the newer sounds. Like, listen to this. Magic. Wow! Majestic. Everything is better. And the apps also look way better. I feel like the apps on here are way better than the apps they have of these days. If you made it this far in the video, I don't know how, but thank you. You should like the video and subscribe. Okay, bye. That was stupid. So I'm gonna check the audio on this thing. Do I look good? Okay, put this in focus. Okay, it's focused. It's focused. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's what we were doing.